Alright, hello everyone, this is DGG Pez. Doing an unboxing video today. Inside this box that just got delivered to me today is the Skeri EMB00. I know the other one that I've shown you guys is the EDB, which stands for electric dirt bike. This is EMB, which maybe is electric mountain bike, electric mini bike, electric motorbike. I don't know, it looked pretty cool online. This was $4.99 with free shipping from Walmart.com. Shout out to Walmart.com, or as I like to call it, the poor man's Amazon Prime. So let's go ahead and get into this. So I can see already these straps are taped down. That's interesting. I guess it makes it more secure. Let's go ahead and unbox this baby. Show you guys how this thing looks in the box. So we got some foam blocks. Got a box. Instruction manual. We got the pedals, little toolkit. Oh, it comes with a phone holder. How about that? We have the headlight, an air pump, tire pump, the rear shock, a bike lock, I don't know what this is yet. It looks like an antenna of some kind. Front reflector. Oh wow. This is about a multifunctional multi-tool. And we've got a multitude of Allen wrenches in our toolkit. So hopefully everything we need for assembly is inside of here. See, there's another box here. This is our charger. Definitely give them points for a sturdy box. Okay, so this is what comes in the box. Seat seems like it's got plenty of padding. Getting into this, wow, this rear tire is really light. Or front tire. Fender. We got a lot of zip ties happening here. We're gonna try to do this without scratching anything. There's our battery. handlebar up here. A wooden block for protection at the bottom. That's cool. Another zip tie. Okay. We've got our handlebar. Whoa. We've got our handlebar with a display screen. And I saw some keys hanging out of here. Okay, so I found out what this little piece is. Okay, so I've taken the battery off the bike. I've got it sitting over there with the charger charging up while we assemble this. So I made some discoveries. This is what is in the box sitting across the axle. And on other bikes that I've seen before, this is actually the through axle. But the thing that I thought was an antenna wrapped up in all this plastic is actually what they call the skewer, and it is going to go through the front tire. Have a mechanical disc brake, so we're going to put the caliper inside the brake like so. Got through there and then I'll lock it in place. Okay, bike over and use my kickstand to hold it up while I do this next step. With the Mr. 2x4 that was helping us hold the bike up. And see if what they're saying makes sense. Plastic. And again, I'm running into screws tight. I hope that means that it's not going to rattle loose while we're riding. Maybe maybe it's made that way on purpose. Alright, let's attack the side bolts. Oh, there. Good. Okay. They are not as tight the whole way down. Through the little hole in the eye because it wouldn't hold it on otherwise. Jinkies. There we go. Okay. Okay. Just like that, magic. We are put together. So I'm going to reinstall the battery that's been charging. Apparently these keys are just to unlock and lock the battery. They don't have any effect on the operation of the bicycle. Let's look at this here. Those prongs need to align under here. Aha! Alright, so I'm going to turn the key to lock the battery in place. There's what looks like an off-on switch. We're going to turn that on. Got full lights on my battery. We've got headlight. Alright, I've got a switch I can turn the headlight on and off. Come over here, discover with me. Alright, so we've got a rear tail light that is lit up. I turn the front lights off, the tail light turns off. Alright, I have a display here showing me 100%. See if we've got turn signals. Oh, sure do. Turn signal indicators in the rear. Okay, we've got a standard horn. So that concludes the unboxing and assembly video. Thank you for staying with me till the end. There will be some videos where we're riding this and trying out the accessories like the cell phone holder and all the stuff that came with it. But for now, that's it.